guys, in this video we're gonna talk about dominant voicings once again, and about a couple of ideas how to make a nice block chords like this or like that. Yeah, so first of all, I already said that many times, but talking about dominant voicings, all you need to really know in the beginning, because everything else what you're gonna know about the dominant voicings is gonna emerge from this particular knowledge. And what I'm talking about is knowing two voicings, or actually one voicing and its one inversion. And I'm talking about the dominant 13 voicing, which starts from the 7th degree. This is what you have to just be able to find it very quickly by this feeling, gripping, and looking at it like by the shape of it. So you just have to practice to find it in every key, like following this method. Like you hit your root, you put your second finger 2 keys above on the 9th, yeah, then your third finger falls 2 keys above on the major third, then you put your first finger, a major third down, and the perfect fourth up for the 5th finger, which hits your 13, and then you have G13, right? And then after you master to find it in every key, then you go for its inversion, which starts from the 3rd degree. These are going to be your most important and the most useful 2 dominant voicings, which you after gonna of course alter and convert them in various ways. But first of all, it's a huge job done if you're able to find those 2, because they're already professionally used by majority of historically important piano players. And this is where you start. Actually, you go with the C13 and its inversion. Yeah. Now, how do you remember how to make this nice popular block voicing with a large upper structure? So it's very easy. You just have to know your interval. Actually, it is really important to practice intervals. You need to be able to recognize what is perfect 5th, what is perfect 4th, what is major 3rd, right? This is very, very important, because a lot of things you're gonna find just by seeing how much apart one structure is from another structure. And this is a very good example. I have a C13, and if you put a perfect 4th up, perfect 4th up, perfect 4 up, it has this really nice voicing, which is very popular among many jazz piano players. You know, another trick is to make it perfect 4th up, perfect 4th up, a tone up, and perfect 4th up. You see? Nice voicing, and you don't have to think really like which kind of degrees are here. Of course, it's another 9, 5, 6, and 9, but what you have to remember is how far away it is from the voicing that you're already really familiar with. And it's this 13 voicing. You see, it already has 4th here. You add 4 up, 4 up, 4 up. You can add another 4 up, and you have it. That's a large one. That's nice. That is still C13, you see? But it has this huge sound. That's nice. See you in another video. Thank you.